Hi, Salesforce. My name is David Tuazon. I'm a senior account executive here at Amazon, and I'm very energized by Salesforce's vision to empower 1 billion agents with Agentforce by the end of 2025. And if you'll spare me 5 minutes, I would love to share with you some of my whys. I've broken them down into why Agentforce, why me, and why now. So let's go ahead and dive in to why Agentforce. I have 3 different sections, but before that, I wanted to take a look at the Agentic AI industry as a whole. Really, what is holding back enterprises from scaling Agentic AI adoption? Well, some of the scalability blockers are teams can't see what agents are doing, visibility. Number 2, teams can't evolve agents fast enough, agility. And ultimately, customers are struggling to scale what works and fix what doesn't. And so Agentforce 3, which launched June 3rd, is a solution to a lot of those challenges. Agentforce 3 unlocks agent velocity as a competitive advantage. It provides complete visibility. It is a secure tool integration using native MCP client. And number 3, it provides enterprise-grade controls, which are found in the command center, which I'll speak about in just a moment. And so diving into these 3 reasons why Agentforce, I have it here into 3 sections: command center, native MCP client, and agent exchange. So command center, this is a way for teams to be able to monitor, manage, and optimize their AI agents. As we move into the agentic AI future, AI agents are taking on more routine tasks, and they're beginning to collaborate more and more with human teammates. And so teams need a new observability layer, and that's what this command center is. It's a way for leaders to have a unified pane of glass to monitor agent health, to measure performance, and to optimize outcomes. Moving on, I'm very excited about number 2, native MCP client. MCP, it's Model Context Protocol. This is, think of it as the USB-C of AI, and MCP is an open standard that enables interoperability. It solves for one of the challenges of having to request custom codes every time you're trying to integrate across different first, second, and third party. And so Agentforce 3 solves for this by providing native MCP client, which allows agents to natively access the tools they need without compromising control. And a couple other things that I find very fascinating is how Agentforce 3 integrates with other existing Salesforce tools. MuleSoft, for example, turns APIs into MCP servers, and this allows for empowering teams to orchestrate and govern multi-agent workflows. Looking at Heroku, this allows for easily host and manage custom MCP servers. You can connect custom MCP servers using Heroku, and developers can bring trusted custom actions into Agentforce with less friction. Number 3, Agent Exchange. This is the leading AI agent ecosystem. This is where you can discover MCP servers from 30 or more partners, including AWS, Box, Cisco, Google Cloud, and allows you to find agent-first tools that are easy to discover and use. Now, moving on to why me. I have 3 sections here: passionate for agentic AI, coachability and mentorship, and track record. Starting with my passion for agentic AI, I do believe that this is opening up unparalleled opportunities for sales professionals like myself. What Salesforce is doing with Agentforce, and it's offering an opportunity for me to showcase that I am an outstanding blend of technical depth, sales competence, and articulation for complex AI-driven solutions, depending on the different mix of customers and what they're really looking for. I will also mention that one of my strong suits with sales is healthy discovery, and I really feel that this is what sets me apart as a sales operator. Moving on, coachability and mentorship. I have had 6 mentees and 7 mentors at Amazon over these 5 years, who I have helped some promote to team lead and then to sales manager, and who have also helped me promote up to L5 senior account executive and move across different teams and present leadership documents, deep dive documents. Finally, proven track record. Last year, I delivered 6.02 million received units to a plan of 1.08 million, which is up 457% versus goal. And I am above my stretch goal last year. I finished the year at over 78% versus my stretch goal. This year, I have delivered 3.81 million received units year to date, which is over 22% versus my goal year to date. I'd like to close with why now? Why now? Well, agent velocity is the new competitive advantage, and with Agentforce 3, this is what unlocks enterprise-wide scalability. AI agent adoption is truly exploding, with AI agent usage up 233% just trailing the last 6 months, and that's according to Slack Workforce Index. Today, there's 8,000 customers who have signed up to deploy Agentforce, and one quote that stands out to me is by Adam Evans, who is the EVP and GM of Salesforce AI. As of November 2024, and he says that we've listened deeply to customers and continued our rapid pace of technology innovation. The result is Agentforce 3, a major leap forward for our platform, and Agentforce 3 will redefine how humans and AI agents work together, driving breakthrough levels of productivity, efficiency, and business transformation. And I certainly want to help accelerate this vision with Salesforce. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your consideration. I hope to speak with you soon.